Hello, my friends. I hope that you're having a great day today. One of the questions was, how can we tag users based on their answers for their surveys? So what we're going to be doing today is exactly that. We're going to be creating a survey and tagging them based on their answers so we can then take action on it. So let's go there. Okay, so let me share my screen so I can explain. So again, the whole idea is, how can we take a user through a survey and then based on their answers that we can tag them. And then we can take all the actions based on that. You can start an email subscription, a newsletter, anything that you want based on how you tag them. So let me go into Clickfunnels. Okay, so before you can configure your survey, we need to configure the custom field. And there's specific reason for that. In order for us to tag the user, we need to have a text field. So we're gonna go into custom attributes. We're gonna click add contact attribute. And here we wanna select text field, not select field. So in here, we're gonna go and say, okay, I want this to be favorite food tagging, okay? Now that we have that, I can come into my survey workflow. And I started this one, so let me just start over again. We're gonna go survey favorite food tagging. And here, the first thing, we want to collect some of the contact information for the user. So okay, now we're gonna add the question that we want to tag the user on. So I'm gonna go plus, I'm gonna go add a question. There's a lot of ways that you can try to think about this, but this is a simple way. So let's see, what is your favorite food? Then in the contact attribute, we're gonna look for the value that we created before starting the survey. So if you remember, what's favorite food tagging? We wanna save the answer in that field. And the difference is that if you create the field in here, inside the survey, it becomes a select field, not a text field. So I cannot take action on it. So I'm gonna go here, pizza. I'm gonna save the questions, okay? So now that we finish this survey, I need to add it to a page. So I'm gonna use a landing page that I created previously. All you have to do is create that page. And then you can just change the survey, save it for favorite food, save. And now my survey page is ready to go. Now I need to do the next part. That is, I'm gonna go to my automations. And in the workflows, I'm gonna create a workflow for tagging a user. So let me go back. Let me delete this. Yeah, remove. I want to create a tag. Sorry, a trigger. When something happens. So let me edit this. When a survey is completed, and I want to look for the survey favorite food tagging. So when someone completes a survey, do this. That's what is happening right now. I'm gonna save it. Close. Now I'm gonna add what is called a conditional split path. I want to check for a condition, and if that condition exists, then do something. I'm gonna click on the yes, and I'm gonna go into custom. I want to check if the value that is inside the favorite food tagging customer attribute is something. The first one is pizza. If the value is pizza, this condition is true. That's the way it works. So I'm gonna click submit. Now I'm checking that if you want, you can rename the name. So let me just go here. You can put, so you know, favorite food. So in that way, if the value inside this customer attribute is pizza, then that's true. Now, what do I want to do? I want to tag them. I'm gonna go here, plus, and I'm gonna scroll down, tag customer. And what I'm gonna tag it with, pizza lovers. Enter, create. Now, if you have that, you're gonna get this tag. What happened with the no? I wanna make another check. So let me go here, conditional split path. Favorite food tagging equal burgers. Favorite food again is burgers. Submit. Then I repeat the process again. I'm gonna go here, tag customer, burger lover. Create step. In this case, there were 3 of them, so I'm gonna go another conditional split test. Then the yes, tag. Okay. Now that I have the tag, make sure that is enabled. And this workflow is dedicated just for that. So I'm not mixing it with anything else. I'm not putting this inside another workflow because then we're doing too many things together. I just want something quick. So also the execution is quick so I can take other actions somewhere else. So in this case, let's take this survey and let's open this in an incognito window. I'm gonna put Carlos demo, Carlos demo at example.com. Fake information, it's not gonna respond. So, and here, I wanna go for pizza lovers, okay? I'm gonna click next. Survey has finalized, so in your survey, you can take all the decisions after that. But let's go, oh, too quick. Let's go into our customers. And you see, now I have a food tagging called pizza. Now all that I have to wait is that the workflow works and I should have that tag coming here. Okay, my friends, here you have it. After waiting a little bit for the workflow to execute, based on the information that was added to the custom attribute, then we got a tag. So now you have it that you can take another action. So let's say now you want to start an email sequence based on the tagging that you did. So that will help you to do that. There you have it, my friends, how you can tag your users that actually have completed a workflow. Friends, we'll see you on our next video.